Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to change the text color in AutoCAD. So let's start here. In AutoCAD we can write the text by two ways. This is the AutoCAD 2024 window here. You select on text and here we have two options. One is multi-line text and another one is single line text. We click on multi-line text and this type of window will open. Select here. Here you change the text height here and here you can change the font type. Now our text is created and we want to change the color. Select the text, type ch, change properties, click here and change the color. This is the one way we can change the color in AutoCAD. And another option is that we click on multi-text here, select this one and we give height 15 here and you can change the font. And here itself you can give the color by layer. Let's say I give green here. Now color green will come automatically. The only drawback option is that when you select this one and type change properties, and if you change to another color, it will not change. Here we select this color and type change properties and color is not changing. But in this case, you click here, type change properties and change color, it is changing. And by layer, color will not change and without layer it will change n number of times. So in this way we can create the change the color in AutoCAD. So we will try another option, single line text here. You select here. You specify the height. I will give height 10, angle is 0, and you can write a text here. This is single line text. Same here you click and change color, you can change. Let's say you want to change the font. You cannot change in single text. For that you have to convert single line to multi-line text. For that type here txt2m txt and select this one, enter, type AD here and now it is changed to multicolor, multi-type. See here, now it is everything is coming here. You can change the font, you can do whatever you want. In this way we can type single line text, multi-line text, change the color and then we convert single line text to multi-line text. Thanks for watching.